Hello and welcome to STEM Marble Maze Design Challenge Week 3. In this week's lesson, we're going to be finishing the project that we've been working on over the last 2 weeks. You designed an isometric sketch of a marble maze, and then you created a 3D model in Tinkercad of that same maze design. This week, you will be bringing your 3D marble maze to life by building it as a marble maze toy. You will need to start thinking about materials and collecting them now. Our objectives for this week are to learn about the requirements for building the physical model of your 3D marble maze, to plan by making a plan for the materials you will use, the theme you will select, and the way you will construct your 3D marble maze, and finally to construct by bringing your 3D marble maze to life by building your design and adding a fun theme. The grading targets for your marble maze are shown. When it comes to construction, I will be looking for your marble maze to be constructed well so that all pieces are attached and can withstand playing. The marble or ball can move through the maze smoothly. Your marble maze should also be playable, meaning that the marble maze can be played and solved and provides a good challenge for a middle schooler. Your marble maze should also be consistent and reflect the 3D design that you made in Tinkercad, but it can have some modifications if needed. The last grading target is theme and challenge. The maze should have a fun theme or additional challenges to make it fun, attractive, and engaging. You should demonstrate creativity with color, pictures, or art on your 3D maze. There are 2 big questions that you need to ask when you are designing your marble maze toy. What materials do you need? You might want to use something like cardboard, tape or glue, scissors or a knife, and consider other items as well. I have seen students who used a piece of cardboard and glued pasta shells to the cardboard in the design of their maze and made a fantastic maze. You can also use the tape and straws in the STEM kit if you need to. Once you've decided on the materials, you also should think about a theme. Write down some theme ideas or game ideas. Think about games that you've played in the past and what made them interesting and fun. And think about a theme that will make your maze interesting and fun for those who play it. As you're brainstorming materials and themes, here are some pictures of different marble mazes that have been designed. In the picture on the left, you can see that the designer has created art and small holes within the maze to be avoided that are traps. And they have created kind of a witty character and storyline for that, which makes the maze very interesting to work. In the right-hand side, this person has created a marble maze using Legos. If you're a big Lego fan and have lots of great Legos at home, this might be a good option for you. In this picture, someone has created a maze similar to the last one that we saw. However, it is themed with Rick and Morty, the animated TV show, and has traps and holes which correspond to that particular show. Here are a few more ideas of a little bit simpler approaches to building a marble maze. The picture in the middle is simply made with straws. The one on the right is simply made with a couple of cardboard boxes and some holes are cut in it. And the one on the left is really big and has some blocks glued to a large cardboard box lid. As you go through the process of designing and building this actual marble maze, you will need to first plan your materials and theme, Second, construct your 3D marble maze. Make sure to use the design that you've already made. Remember that sometimes you have to try several times to get it right, so if you start out and you're like, this maze is too hard to build, don't give up yet, keep trying. Third, you should take a picture of your finished 3D marble maze and submit it in the Google Doc classroom assignment. And 4, play your 3D marble maze and ask your friends and family to play it too, to test it and see how it works. Remember to document your work by taking a picture of your finished marble maze and submitting it in this week's lesson. I hope you enjoy the process of making this marble maze, and good luck.